Welcome back to Hanging with Hooper. I am Heather Hooper, and I was a 5th grade educator in Central Indiana, and I am now a 6th grade ELA teacher in Central Indiana. So I am a sweaty mess because I have been working on packing up my room to move down the hall and just around a little bit, because tomorrow my family is going to come and help me kind of finish packing up and moving as much as we can just to help the custodians out. So let me show you my room in this current state. This is so much stuff. All right, so all of this stuff is going home because that's all my room transformation stuff. And going into 6th grade, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing. And I don't know that I'll be doing the room transformations this year, just because, you know, some of the kids will have had them anyway. So I'll probably take a year off from doing room transformations. This table is like my donation table. So it is all the things I'm gonna let teachers come in and get. This table over here is just kind of a collection table right now. I haven't really done much. These are just extra supplies. This is room transformation things that I have never done. Like I've never done a basketball one. So I thought, maybe I'll keep those here in case I decide to do a room transformation, or if there's a game that I can come up with, I thought I could use those here. That is for, I took bulletin board stuff out, and then I am leaving like all my other bulletin board stuff for other teachers if they want it. If not, it will get pitched, but I kept out what I'm gonna do in my new classroom. This is all the stuff moving. So all of this is my library. And then this is what I kept my like curriculum stuff in, my different units. So I've cleaned that out and left all that for the next 5th grade teacher if she chooses to use it. If not, she can pitch it. So that's kind of where I am. So I have went through this big cabinet, so it is done. And that's really all I got done. I got these shelves down here done. I started to clean out over here. But yeah, that is kind of where we are currently. Just a mess that is super overwhelming, but it'll get done. So yeah, I had the opportunity to move to 6th grade to teach ELA, and I decided to take that. I have never taught in the same grade for as long as I have in this 5th grade classroom. So usually about every 4 years, I have moved for one reason or another. And it came open, and I've been here for 6 years, and I'm kind of ready to try something new. And so I am going to move on and do that. I'm a little bit nervous. I have taught 6th grade before. I did social studies and reading, but that was years and years and years ago. So that is the update for this summer. I haven't really done much in my room. This is the first year I didn't teach summer school in a long time, so I really took the summer to myself and to try and get myself healthy. At the end of the school year, I'd been struggling a lot with migraines almost every day, and kind of had like a lot of episodes and some dizziness and stuff. So I've been trying to take care of that and just kind of chill. But now we're kind of down to the wire, and I need to get my classroom set up so I can start planning what I'm gonna be doing, because like I need new first of the year stuff, because most of my homeroom class is my class that I had last year. So I'm super excited about that. Not all of them, but I have several. So I'm excited about that. So I need some new ideas and some fresh ideas. And they are older and hopefully a little bit more mature. And so we got to try to find some new things. So I'm excited to plan for those and to bring you along on that journey as well, and to share that with you. So that's my little update, and I will catch you soon for some setup videos hopefully at least organization. I don't know how much I'm gonna get set up, and some planning videos. So I'll see you then. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our to my channel, and I'll see you next time.